Hey, kids! Hello, hello! Look at this glass on the table. What's inside? Nothing! Empty, empty, empty! Now, upside down. What's inside now? Nothing, right? Nothing, nothing, nothing! Wait, wait, wait! No! It has air! Invisible air! Air is hiding! Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky! Let's do a magic experiment to catch the air! Yay! Ready? Here we have one glass, one big bowl, water bottle, paper with funny face, and color. First, pour water in the bowl. Now, add color. Wow! Red or blue? Mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. Look, pretty colorful water. Now, this paper with eyes and nose, big smile. His name is Cheapo. Hi, Cheapo. Cheapo is going inside the glass. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Safe inside. Who is gonna save Cheapo from getting wet? Who? Let's see. Splash! Cheapo is underwater now. Oh no! Oh no! Will Cheapo get wet? Will he disappear? Eek! Let's check. Ta-da! Cheapo is dry. Dry, dry, dry. No water. Yay, Cheapo! Yay! Who saved Cheapo? Maybe Air? Let's say Captain Air or Superhero Air.
I push the water away. Boing, boing. I am strong. I take space. No water can come in my house.
See? Air was inside the glass. Air said, "No, no, no," to the water. Air stopped the water. Air is matter, but we can't see it, invisible. But air is very, very, very important. We breathe air every day. In, out, in, out, in, out. Air helps us run, laugh, and blow bubbles. Puff, puff. Thank you, Captain Air. Thank you, Cheapo. You are brave explorers. Try this at home with Mommy or Daddy. Bye-bye. Big hug. Mwah!